Welcome to Technia TV. I am Dr. Shambhu Sharan Gupta, Assistant Professor in Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. In last class, we have discussed about ABC like as a Audit Bureau of Circulation. Today we will discuss about MAP. MAP is a marketing research limited company. MAP Marketing Research is a founding corporate member of BAMOR, the self-regulatory association which governs and represents the market survey and public opinion industry in Bulgaria. MAP's areas of international and local online data collection, survey, programming, data processing, charting, tabulation, and dashboards and analytical solutions through an open and transparent relationship aimed at achieving common goals and establishing long lasting cooperation. These principles, along with a lot of hard work, have enabled MAP marketing research to become one of the fastest growing offshore service bureaus. Since its founding, MAP marketing research goals has been service excellence as the best quality service provider for marketing research professionals in any industry segment. The vision is to deliver the best while at the same time providing all business benefits of outsourcing. The company's exclusive focus on market research has resulted in series which can be implemented rapidly and can be customized to a great degree. MAP marketing research can manage all aspects related to the marketing research process right from the set stage of conception and pricing through programming and sampling to the final report delivery and implementation. MAP marketing research uses the best market research technologies to manage all its processes and helps clients get access to the most advanced research tools used in the industry. The end result is an empowered client who can focus on much more critical aspects of the study and perform routine activities more efficiently. MAP marketing research currently employs 130 highly motivated professionals who are united in their commitment to delivering high quality services. I hope you understand this entire topic. For more videos, like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.